Today I have the sensational Rahul Roy joining us. Jai Shri Ram, writes Bhavani ji. Rohan, somebody says whatever. Hi people, thank you for joining. हमारे साथ जुड़ेंगे बॉलीवुड के सुपरस्टार राहुल रॉय. इनसे जुड़ी हुई बात बहुत सारी करूँगी. पूजा says hi, you look ravishing. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. You should see my new photo shoot. Oh my God, you're looking so beautiful in red. Says Neha Ujjal. Thank you, darling. Hi, Pua. Thank you, thank you. So I decided to dress up finally. The lazy me. गाना सुन रहे हैं आप? सुनाई दे रहा है आपको? And red hot ma'am, beautiful. Thank you. Voice नहीं आ रही है आपकी. फोन की वॉल्यूम बढ़ा लीजिए. Check the voice if it's coming or not. Lot of people joining, and in a little bit we will have the original आशिकी सुपरस्टार राहुल रॉय joining. तब तक मैं उनके जो मूवीज के गाने आप लोगों के लिए लगाते जा रही हूँ ताकि आप देखते जाएं. ऑलवेज वेयर रेड लिपस्टिक से नेहा. ओ थैंक यू सो मच. पता है नेहा, मुझे रेड पर्सनली पसंद तो बहुत है, मैं उससे स्पेशल रहती हूँ. ऑडियो एंड वीडियो ऑल गुड, डोंट वरी. सेज पूजा चोपड़ा. थैंक यू. Rohan says voice nahi aa rahi. It's time for you to buy a new phone. Where can we see your new photo shoot, ma'am? It will be on Instagram and on Facebook. Twitter, I put it. Thank you so much. And आशिकी के गाने हम ओरिजिनल वाले जो सबसे पहले आशिकी निकली थी, किसने देखी थी, कितने लोगों ने देखी थी आशिकी, उसके बारे में हम बात करेंगे. नेहा ओजा से वीडियोस परफेक्ट. तो हम अब ये सारे गाने सुनेंगे तब तक. और देखिए ये यूट्यूब के जो है एड्स भी आते हैं. यदि आप मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करेंगे तो आपको प्रीवियस सारे इंटरव्यूज मिलेंगे. आई बीन स्लाइटली स्लो एट पुटिंग ऑल द वीडियोज कंसिडरिंग माई टाइम शेड्यूल इज गड़बड़. सांसें आपकी बढ़ रही हैं, दिल की धड़कन बढ़ रही है. राहुल रॉय आ रहे हैं. राहुल रॉय से जुड़ी हुई आपको बड़ी खास बातें बताऊंगी मैं, क्योंकि मेरी लाइफ में मेरा फर्स्ट क्रश वाज राहुल रॉय. एंड a lot of people are joining. Sam says yes I did. Oh, you did what? सुनील है क्या ये? हम वेट कर रहे हैं राहुल रॉय जी का. आपके तब तक जो सवाल है प्लीज कीप पुटिंग देम. आई एम गोइंग टू आस्क यू ऑल एंड आई विल पुट इट. 1300 व्यूज सेज पूजा चोपड़ा so far. Yeah baby, we are waiting for more. तो राहुल रॉय आते ही होंगे. एंड हमारा टाइमिंग ऐसा फिक्स्ड है. यूजुअली तो मैं 8 PM करती हूँ, बट सर वाज वेरी बिजी. Somebody says I'm beyond proud of you. Thank you so much. Thank you. आप लोगों का प्यार ही यहाँ तक लेकर आया है. I love this song. धीरे धीरे से मेरी जिंदगी में. I know. Even I love it. It gives you that typical. पता नहीं तुम तो 90s के बच्चे हो गए. हमने तो 90s में रोमांस किया है. तो हमने 2000 में भी किया है, हमने 2010 में भी किया, हमने 2020 में भी किया है. So yeah, Shubham says hi. So people saying hi. Thank you so much. काफी सारे आजकल memes चल रहे. हाँ, but still I love these songs. Neha Oja says yeah, so do I. I love all music. Music is my soul food. You know, and I'm waiting for Rahul ji to join. मैंने उन्हें बोला था थोड़ा सा इंतज़ार करा लीजिएगा. और फिर Samuel says 90s romance, idiot. पर इस गाने के टाइम पे मेरी लाइफ में एक भी ऑडियंस ऐसी नहीं थी जिसको देखकर मुझे याद है कि ये गाना कब बजा था. I love every Kumar Sanu song. मेरा most favorite album ही वो है फिर तेरी कहानी याद आई. And Rahul Roy ji's sister will be joining us tomorrow, Priyanka Roy, same time. But today we're going to talk to him, and I'm telling you something. जब ये movie निकली थी ना आशिकी, तो मैं मध्य प्रदेश में रहती थी और सारे लड़कों ने बाल ऐसे लंबे करने शुरू कर दिए थे। और हम गर्मियों की छुट्टियों में जाते थे जबलपुर, तो हमारे जो नेबर होते थे उनके आके लड़कों ने, 3 भाई थे वो तीनों ने इतने लंबे लंबे बाल किए हुए थे, साहनी बॉयज, एंड दैट्स हाउ आई नो देम, आई डोंट इवन नो देयर नेम्स। और वो तीनों राहुल रॉय लगते थे दूर से। This new year is yours. I wish this was a terrible new year. Do you think coffee? Says somebody. Okay. But trust me, Shruti, you should wear only red. Looking so beautiful. Thank you, thank you. वो देखो आज स्पेशल शो है ना, तो स्पेशल ड्रेस अप किया है। तुम तो जानती हो मुझे, मूडी हूँ मैं बहुत। ब्लैक के सिवा तो मैं कोई कलर वाइट ही पहनती हूँ। So Rahul Roy ji has just right now. We are waiting for Rahul sir. Neha says we have over 1,576 people joining us.
Hi, how are you?
Hi, I'm good. So good to see you finally.
Thank you, Shruti. Thank you for being patient.
Do,
I've just
do you
been
know?
very, very busy.
I understand your new movie coming up has made you super
Yeah,
busy.
yeah. So we are
So do you
announcing
still
that we.
carry the same hairdo 1990s when Ashiki was released? I remember I was telling the audience, and we were in Madhya Pradesh. I was those days in school. तो पूरे
Yeah,
मोहल्ले में ऐसे, मतलब मेरे को लगता है पूरे शहर में वो हेयर स्टाइल। You were the first cult following those days, you know, you must remember.
yeah.
So
My there's no particular reason. It's not like in 30 years I didn't want to change my hairstyle. I wanted to change it, but every
हाँ,
time I wanted to change it, there was a huge outcry from fans and certain producers and directors that I continue working with, and
okay,
they said no, 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 don't change it, don't do this and things like that, because that इतना connectivity हो गया था with the fans and
हाँ,
everybody, तो वो करना
हाँ,
बड़ा मुश्किल हो गया था. So I've not been able to change it, and
हम्म,
I'll only say that the gift of hair is from my parents' genes, because
is it
every
the
strand every strand is my own. It's not any doctor's. So
Bengali genes? Do you mean? Bengalis have
no, no,
nice hair.
no, 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 no. That's a people don't know. I'm actually half Maharashtrian and half Punjabi. It's
You
actually
have?
Roy Kapoor.
Oh,
Yeah,
is that why?
yeah.
I think I am half Konkani, like my mother's half Konkani, so I have
Yeah.
Konkani genes. So I think
All
there are
right.
that's one. Yeah, so that is
So
there. And yeah.
it's just there.
So coming to this new movie, how excited are you? It's after a very long time.
No, actually, there are 5 films of mine which are now ready for release.
Wow.
There's a movie called Agra with Kannu Behel.
Yeah,
That is
Agra.
Agra is there. Then there's a movie called Sayoni that's been
Hmm.
shot in Russia. It's an action-based film. Then there is a very fantastic thriller kind of an English movie called Death of an Ambassador. Then there's a
Okay.
movie called Night and Fog, which my sister is doing with me.
Okay.
It's a biopic on a film director. It's a journey of a
Oh,
film director,
oh, how
and it's being
interesting.
done. Yeah, and that is being done in Hindi, English, and French. So it'll be
Okay.
dubbed in French. And the other one is another biopic called Anokhi, which I was shooting for. The ones
Okay.
that are coming now is well, at 8:30 tonight it'll be announced with various news channels and everything. We're coming through with that.
Super.
So it's a movie called The Walk. It's on the migrant workers, so you will see a very different. I was not originally going to be doing it. I was just going to put the project together and make it.
So where did
But
you guys shoot for this? All this? Or was
no,
this
no,
shot
no,
in the fall?
no, no, no. The Walk is going on the floors today. We are announcing it, but we are absolutely ready. It's been worked on by a couple of international creators, as well as the person who directed Sayoni and uh, Death of an Ambassador with me. So we have teams in Russia, Chile, in Europe, as well as the US. Everybody's combining, and it's a very beautiful story of a
Hmm.
man, a young boy, walking the 1,000 miles from Mumbai to their village in UP, and
Oh,
their travails. But it's a positive kind of a story. It's you know, the circumstances surrounding is obviously heart wrenching, but it's a positive story. So we are going to have all the visuals and everything done, keeping the safety regulations there in mind.
Yeah.
But there's a huge amount of VFX which is going to be used, and a lot of things that are going to be used. So when you see the film, it's going to be like really big. So there is that, and there are three other films which I'm not privy right now to tell you. But we've got some exciting things. But unfortunately, like everybody else, we are going to be following the lockdown process. So whenever that does start, I have a lot of good things to look forward to. I do.
Superb, isn't that great? So tell me,
Yeah.
like at what age did you decide you wanted to be a movie star? How did you do
I didn't decide. I never wanted. I never dreamt of being an actor or a star or anything. The
that?
day I decided firstly to act, I didn't know about being a star or anything. Was the day I met Mahesh Bhatt sir for the first
Yeah,
time when he
yeah,
offered me the film in the first 5 minutes only, and I didn't know what the story was, and only later on I was told it's his love story, and you know with Pooja's mother Kiranji. So I was
yeah,
told all that, and I
yeah.
took it on. But you know, when it was closer towards the film releasing,
Hmm.
and I could feel the pulse of India at that time, loving the music, loving the songs, wanting so much more to be there.
Yeah.
Um, you know, everybody wanted to see that this movie does well. But
Hmm.
what happened was that when I got on board at that time for releasing, although the
Hmm.
music was going very well, but we didn't know how they would react to the hero or to the heroine.
Hmm.
But at the 12 o'clock show, once I felt,
Yeah.
you know, that they were throwing coins on the screen and they were dancing on the aisles and everybody was screaming and
You know,
shouting. And I,
audience is so much in love with you. Sorry to interrupt. We have right now over 1,593 people watching us, and people are do actually remember the Ashiki dialogue, Bhag, Tannu Bhag. Do you remember that?
of course, I remember. I
And people are
remember.
writing, and they are
Yeah.
writing like अभी 90s जैसा म्यूजिक क्यों नहीं बनता है. बहुत सारे लोग एक हैं जर्मनी से लिख रहे हैं आपको.
Yeah.
Then there are people writing, I really miss you. Of course, you had the kind of love. I think for decades that Rahul Roy image lived on. I,
Yeah.
for myself, I watched Ashiki, but फिर तेरी कहानी याद आई was my most favorite. I watched
Yeah.
फिर तेरी कहानी याद आई even last month. So it's my monthly routine कि इस महीने में नहीं देखती हूँ तो मुझे दोबारा जाके देखनी है.
See, some of my favorites. I mean, obviously, Ashiki gave me the pedestal, which is still there. Uske
Hmm.
baad, Junoon was a film that was ahead of its
Yeah,
time that I
I like
loved.
it. Yeah.
Then Phir Teri Kahani Yaad Aaye. There was another very underrated film which I thought was very good. Music was very good. Everything that had Salman, Manisha Koirala, and me called Ye Majdar. But
Yeah.
the release of it was a little bit dicey, so it couldn't do that well. So, but you know, having said that, the irony, and which is what when I was talking to Bhatt Saab,
Huh.
that you know we were thinking of how to go ahead and do something else.
Hmm.
So he told me, he said, you know, Rahul, the problem is that everything that I've made with you has become so iconic, whether it's Ashiki or whether it
This is
was
very true.
Phir Teri Kahani Yaad Aayi, even the
वैसे
stuff
तो
that I
कोई
did,
बनी ही नहीं है. There is no
and
other movie like that.
I did Gumrah with him, and then in his own production, Vikram Bhatt's first film, Janam, was done by me, which had great music. So, you know, when I've done all this, he said, you know, I really need to think up of something really out of the box that, you know, your film's not faring well with other directors is acceptable, but not faring well with Bhatt Saab, that, you know,
Yeah.
combination is something which is really a scary thought. And I
Yeah.
agreed with him. I agreed with him. So obviously, you know, I'm really looking for kind of subjects and projects like that. However, having said that, some of my movies now currently, thankfully, in a way,
Hmm.
they don't have music, but the ones that do have,
Hmm.
the ones that are going to be coming out, and what we are working on, uh, trust me, that their music and their songs
Really?
are really, I'm really again
People
lucky that
really
I'm
need to
getting to that.
watch out on this because his
Because
music has been a cult music.
my take on music or even films right now, and more so right now and with content, has been that जो भी फिल्में आएंगी या content आएगा या गाने आएंगे, until the lyrics or the words or the story is not connecting with people in a very big way, in a very strong way.
True.
No matter how visually appealing you make it, how technically brilliantly you make it, if it doesn't leave that impact with them,
Yeah.
it's not going to be talked about. And like for instance, Ashiki left an impact. That is why 30 years down the line we talk, and that's the kind of love and support I get. So I've been very lucky and blessed to be part of that kind of a project, and everything happened correctly for
Yeah.
that film.
Yeah.
And but the music now, I mean, I don't know. I mean, everybody says this trend, that trend, and all, but nothing has changed. Shruti, nothing has changed.
Hmm.
People say that time there were 56 newcomers that were coming in films at
Yeah.
that time
Yeah.
simultaneously as me,
Yeah.
jinki filme, and they were
Uh-huh.
proper films. They were not backed by social media
Yeah.
and all
Yeah. Those
kinds of
days there wasn't
media,
anything.
and self-created hype that
Uh,
this is done. Where when you actually go into the depths
there
of
was
it, you
no
find out that
marketing strategy only there. There was
yeah,
nothing called as marketing for a film.
it really worked on the strength of the fans, and if they liked it, they liked it. If they didn't like it, they didn't like it.
So,
It really worked.
coming to the fan point, do you know what happened? I was very young. I don't want to mention what class I was in, but
Yeah,
of
yeah,
course, you being my first crush because Ashiki was the movie, and that was the kind of romance we all wanted in our life.
yeah,
तो आज सोचना पैन में फिल्म फेयर से आता था एक कॉलम आता था जिसमें आप राहुल रॉय को चिट्ठी लिख सकते थे and
yeah.
it was summers and you sent me an autographed photograph of yours which was
Wow.
like love Rahul. I think you
Yeah.
did that with many people, I'm sure. And
Shruti, at that time, we didn't have WhatsApp and we didn't have
हाँ,
Instagram. So
कुछ
everything
नहीं.
was actually on mail. And trust me,
हाँ.
I was living in a PG at that time, when I had become.
Really?
I just started, yeah. So
हाँ,
the guy I was sharing the flat with,
हाँ,
and I don't want to name some of the biggest directors and actors and friends who used to
हाँ,
crash out, at the pad because it was like an adda. I
हाँ,
would come, I was working 20 hours, 21 hours, so I used to come at all odd hours at the house just to catch some sleep or
हाँ,
change or something.
हाँ,
I used to see 2,000 letters strewn all over the apartment, and
हाँ.
all these guys are reading the letters. I have not read a single one of them because I
Oh
don't know.
shit.
And forget what all things were sent in the letters.
हाँ,
And the letters were written in blood. The letters were, I don't want
हाँ.
to mention
I know, because we used to read in
everything.
film fair.
Yeah, so all this used to happen. And then I had to, people used to help me to write a couple of,
हाँ,
letters, and then I used to write some of them, couple of them, but so many, I mean, how could you respond to so many of them? It was next to
हाँ,
impossible. तो मैं वो सब करके then I used to take it off because I said at least let's send something, because
yeah.
having this kind of response and not responding at all was, I
Good
felt
song.
very bad about that. But trust me, there have been I can't even tell you the number of occasions and that kind of stardom. Even
I would.
today, even
Uh,
today, most of these guys can't even imagine. I mean, this is just all
no, nowhere,
जो
nowhere
होता
close to it. So I
होता नहीं है.
remember after I received your photograph with autograph, I decided now that it is written, I was like hardly 10, 11,
Wow.
And I sat with my parents and I was looking at them. So I said, are you guys going to miss me? So they look at me and like, why? I said, because I'm shifting to Mumbai now that I have this family.
So
Never
cute, so
forget
cute.
that.
No, really cute. Thank you very much. But
That is the time to imagine. That was the kind of manifestation I had. I manifested this. I'm being very, very honest. Someday, of course, I'll
but
have to
no,
work.
Shruti, but
Yeah.
I'll tell you one thing. What used to scare me was, I did a number of shows all over the world, and each of my shows, 80% were girls and women and things like that. Hardly 20% were guys. And
Huh.
I'm telling you, so obviously, whenever you performed on stage for all the songs and when you were coming off the stage or whenever I was there,
Yeah.
uh, when the girls were shaking hands and things like that,
Hmm.
उनके हाथ इतने गर्म होते थे that they had running fever out of just the excitement, and that used to
Imagine.
And I used to get so scared ke, I've never felt that kind of thing for
हाँ, मतलब ये अचानक हो
anybody.
क्या रहा है? What is happening?
हाँ,
Like, where
हाँ.
is
So
this coming from? Am I really
yeah,
that good? You know?
yeah. No,
Also
and
thought,
I used to say, ठीक है, it's good, okay, I'm working hard, कुछ फल मिल रहा है, but this kind of thing, I used
हाँ,
to get very scared, but
हाँ,
I used to feel very respectful, and more towards the fans, I used to get a little bit scared कि यार कुछ गलत ना बोल दूं या कुछ ऐसा नहीं कर दूं, because I didn't know what they expected or what they didn't expect, but that was pure love and affection, and that is why I have seen, a lot of people have asked me over the 30 years when I won the Big Boss one, things like that.
yeah,
A lot of people used to say कि सर आपका कुछ समझ में नहीं आता, I mean हमारे फैंस आज हैं कल चले जाते हैं, कोई भरोसा नहीं है, आपके तो
that's
चल ही
good.
जा रहे हैं, they are there. And I said, I think the all of us who came in the 90s, who were blessed
Hmm,
with good films, and people like
hmm,
fans somehow just remained. There was a huge base and a huge generation. So we
yeah,
have benefited from two generations. One that was there, which is my age, and the ones that were there for us, and their subsequent children also, because of the parents, they also had to watch, and now with the channels and the various networks and everything that keep repeating the films and everything. So you have both the current generation and the past generation that have loved your movies and have suddenly developed this huge respect for you. And I think that is a fab
people
thing to
are
happen.
people are going gaga over Rahul sir. Some VPL team also they're talking about. But I just asked you one
I
question.
love you,
आपको
VPL.
राहुल आशिकी or Rahul in फिर तेरी कहानी याद आई? Which is more closer to you as a person? Like
Uh,
you
you, you
watch
know,
the
to
character.
see, I'll tell you, I'm both actually. A lot of things in Ashiki, uh, people got to understand that no doubt it was out and out
One of my
Bhatt
friends,
Saab's.
Pooja Chopra, says a hi to you. She's
I,
also big. So I have to
hi,
acknowledge
hi,
my friends also.
okay, hi Pooja. Um,
Yeah.
Ashiki was predominantly Bhatt Saab's kahani, but he molded Rahul's kahani as what I am, because I stayed with him for a couple of months and I never went to
I'm a
acting
big
classes.
Bhatta fan here.
Yeah. So he imbibed everything, and Rima Lagoji's character was taken from my mother's character, the late Indira Roy, because she was a very strong woman.
Yeah.
And in the 70s, it was unheard of that, a woman divorces her husband and all, because
Yeah.
divorce in those days was a very big thing.
Very big thing.
But my mom never remarried, my dad never remarried. There was an unusual love story. But the kind of things, and my mother worked with UNICEF, so she was, with children and poor people and everything. She did a lot of work which she was very proud of, very, very
Yeah.
proud, and she was very articulate. So that and फिर तेरी कहानी याद आई is the more mature side of me, because that is also another part of me.
Yeah.
But that again is Bhatt Saab's story, no question about
Yeah,
it.
yeah,
That
that
is
is
Bhatt
that.
Saab's thing. So I think in those days, Bhatt Saab probably saw somebody like me and Pooja, being his own
Yeah.
daughter, being able to carry forward the stories that he had at that time,
Yeah.
and we could do. And now, of course, there are so many more actors, because see, Vishesh Films at that time, Bhatt
Yeah.
Saab, Mukesh, and Mahesh, that was also growing at that stage. Of course, they had made films like Saranch and Arth and all these kind of beautiful films they had made already, and a
Yeah.
lot of commercial films. But the actual commercial sixers that they started hitting was from Ashiki onwards. So all that started happening. So, once all these films started happening, then obviously the other actors also could come in to Vishesh Films, and it was time for them to grow. So yes, I would say both Ashiki and Phir Teri Kahani Aata Hai are more my forte. As much as people, gazillion times ask me, sir, Ashiki 3 kar lo, ye kar lo. Uh, I don't know what I will do in that. I don't know what kind of script they will write in that. But a Phir Teri Kahani Yaad Aaye, or that kind of genre, or that kind of love story, I would love to
I know
do
it's
something
very
like that.
difficult. Yeah, but it's very difficult to recreate that magic, that Peter
No,
or that those it's a very gripping game you just need and see. Okay, an audience just reminded me.
Mm.
And I was telling you, those days my parents were also so at that point in time, TV kharab tha, so we didn't have a TV at home. We didn't have. So for that movie, I think it was released on the New Year's. I think 31st New Year's is वाली सर्दियों की बात है.
फिर
Same
तेरी
age.
कहानी फिर तेरी
हाँ
कहानी याद आए
हाँ
फिर
हाँ
तेरी कहानी याद आए का मैं बताता हूँ द स्ट्रीट्स ऑफ मुंबई
हाँ.
were empty the way it has been done in lockdown. It was empty because everybody stayed in to watch Phir Teri Kahani Yaad Aayi.
It was like
Everybody.
Shanti everywhere. I remember I was in Madhya Pradesh that day. It was pin drop silence. A, the music, B, the story,
Correct.
the characters, the actors.
Correct.
Like, what magic? I don't see that magic anymore. I'm sorry to say, no offense to anybody. Everybody is doing
Yeah.
great job. But you know that
Yeah,
that
yeah.
soul connect नहीं आता. वो बात नहीं आती थी. एक मूवी impact होता है जिसकी बात. You know, like if you read a good book, you might not
Yeah.
like to read anything else. The flavor should live on for a longer period of time.
How many
So,
of us have read how many of us have read that kind of a book, and no matter what, it stays with you for the lifetime. You always remember that kind, and that's why that's the magic of cinema. There is some kind of films that stay
yeah,
with you forever. They become part of your life. They're not just ये
yeah,
भी
yeah.
अच्छी film थी वो भी अच्छी. It's not just that. It's so much
Yeah.
more, and that's what I found both with Ashiki and फिर तेरी कहानी याद आई.
हाँ,
I
वो
found that.
सोल खींचती है वो मतलब ऐसा है कि वो आपको गाने से would just take you back to all the memories every time you played that song or you
Yeah,
see a glimpse, all that happens.
true,
So I
true,
just
true.
want to be rapid fire with you. Rahul
Okay,
in one now.
Rahul then.
Rahul now versus Rahul like 20 years back.
Wiser.
Why is that? Okay. What does the word love mean to you?
Oh, it's a very complicated word, but very, very complicated. But
I think more of care.
it's unparalleled,
Unparalleled.
unparalleled for me.
Okay. What does happiness mean to you?
Everything.
How lovely is that? What does ghar mean to you? Ghar, like coming home.
Safety.
Safe.
I feel safe. Yeah.
Beautiful. Are you fond of traveling?
I love traveling. Yes, of course I do.
Okay, then let me ask you something which is out of this, which I thought, and it's just coming to my mind. Is for a long time you got into spirituality. How was it?
I'm still a very spiritual person.
That
It's
you
still
look,
it.
of course,
That's
I'm sure.
I Shruti, I imbibed that almost about 20 years ago. Um, because no matter as an actor or as a person, you show a lot of things to the people, but inside there's a lot of turmoil going. Everybody's going through that.
Everybody goes through.
But I never followed any guru.
Okay.
I never followed, and that is my misfortune. I'll come to that. I'll explain in very briefly. I followed reading the Bhagavad Gita, the
Beautiful.
Quran,
Beautiful.
and the Bible, and
Beautiful.
I did my own amalgamation. And then, of course, I met a lot of people,
Yeah.
and I realized a lot of things, and I did something very strange, which is I learned how to be able to accept whatever the scenario in life is, whether it's
That's a
personal,
very
professional,
beautiful
or anything,
learning. That's a life learning.
but but not hate the circumstances or the situation. I always believe that I have the strength to take no matter what is not good or whatever is there, in terms of how brilliant it's supposed to be or whatever. कि मैं सलमान खान के हाइट पे क्यों नहीं हूँ? Why man? I deserve to be there. None of that. So I've never harbored, now for a long time, I've not harbored discontent. I've not harbored regret. I've not harbored a lot of things. And every day I've opened myself up to learn, because whatever I've learned, I want to unlearn and relearn something new on that, on top of that. Because ये तो मैं जानता हूँ,
Huh.
and I am ready for whatever the scenario is. Okay. Uh, I'm not saying I'm super confident of handling it, but I know that inside me that core strength is there to deal with it. और इसलिए लोग मेरे को कभी कभी बोलते हैं कि सर आपका तो कमाल है कि कि you continue to do work at the way you want to do work. You're not succumbing to doing it the way everybody else is doing it. And my answer is that when I started understanding why I want to do this in terms of acting, why I want to be part of film, uh, of course, the financial success of film is important, everything else is important. But
That
I
is
realized कि यार ये चीजें तो मेरे हाथ में है ही नहीं. And any guy, any producer, anybody who comes and says, "Baby, I'll make this into 100 crore," I think he's talking through his hat. Okay,
true.
there's nothing known. Nobody knows what is going to work, what isn't. So the only thing that is even remotely in control, and that also to a certain degree, is just try and make the best thing possible with the best of intention. And
True.
everybody that you're working with,
True.
make sure that your interaction with all of them is on a respectful note.
Yes.
You don't have to do chaplusi, you don't have to do hazurgiri or
Yeah.
anything, but you just have to be respectful. Just give them that much respect. It doesn't
Yeah.
matter about the age or what the status is. Just be respectful.
Yeah.
Don't let people walk all over you. Just do
Yeah.
your work and just keep being persistent about your work. So a lot of things I realized. If I won some, great. If I didn't win some, I said, चलो इससे इतना सीख लिया या कुछ भी है. But nobody who has worked with me in the projects that I've been doing now, or even now going ahead with the others and things like that, they say that it's fab to work with you. It's great. I'm doing so many other films which are so much bigger in terms of money and everything like that. But the quality of the stuff that I'm doing with you and what I'm learning with you and things like that, that is so much more. And to me,
Mm.
Shruti, that is far more important because look at this lockdown. When
Yeah.
you think about it, when you compare life and you compare this
True.
lockdown,
True.
पैसे लेके क्या उखाड़ लिया आपने?
ऑडी भी
You
वही
are,
है और
हाँ,
वैगनआर भी वही है, सब वही खड़ा है.
सब खड़े हैं. You can't go. This, God forbid, this dangerous illness can get you as much as it can get to the next person,
True.
and
Totally.
and to the poor
Totally.
person. And okay, it's unfair. We can't compare the scenario with a rich person with a migrant worker. That situation. I'm not going to
That's
that extreme, but I'm just
yeah.
trying to say that even money cannot ensure safety, longevity, and that you're going to be safe from any kind of an illness or anything, because we see the news, we see everything that is coming in on our messages and all that. You are vulnerable to anything. So if anything, I think we are learning even under this duress kind of situation that at the end of the day, there's got to be a lot of things. It cannot just be money and hype that is going to make you sail through in life. You got to be correct as the best as you can, be the best version of what you are supposed to be. And
True.
no matter how the world is moving or how everybody is saying, "ऐसे करना है, वैसा," create your own identity. Yeah? You were born to create your own identity, not follow other
Totally.
people. Yeah? So I've
Totally.
never believed on that. Yeah.
Totally. Do you believe a little in destiny?
I do, but
Mm.
I also believe that if you
Make the right
follow,
choices.
if you follow the rules of karma,
Yeah.
and that
Yeah.
बोलना बड़ा आसान होता है. You see, we are very used to all
Huh.
the quotes that come beautifully on FB and Instagram and all. वो पढ़ने में बड़ा अच्छा लगता है, forward करने में
Are
बड़ा
you
अच्छा
active
लगता है.
on Facebook, by the way?
I am,
Yeah.
but I find it sometimes ironical that people send such beautiful quotes and everything, but
And
nothing,
follow.
and none of them follow. Not even
Not follow.
F for
Nobody
follow.
follows. It's like,
उनको
then
करना
then
बड़ा.
the teaching comes, practice before you preach. Nobody practices.
No,
All ready
nothing.
to preach.
So it's tough. So I just I mean, all people have their own journey. They will do it
Yeah.
themselves only. That's okay. But it's tough. So I believe that if you follow the true karma principles, you can alter your destiny also. A lot of things can happen.
Super, super.
So
Rahul, your energy is fantastic and it is great speaking to you. Is there a
thank you,
message you
Susan.
would like to to give to your audience? Somebody who wants to get into acting or somebody who wants to do like what Rahul Roy is. There are many people who
I
aspire
will.
young.
I will honestly say, never think that whatever काम आप कर रहे हो छोटा है या बड़ा है. Make sure you do it with the right people. Make sure that you work with the right kind of team and put it out there. Put it on Facebook, put it on YouTube, put it on Instagram, put it in whatever means is possible. Keep
True.
climbing the stairs one step at a time. बिकॉज
True.
अगर आपकी फाउंडेशन स्ट्रांग होगी, लंबे
True.
दौर में आप चले गए. एंड देयर इज नथिंग नोन एज गोरा चलता है काला नहीं चलता, काला चलता है गोरा नहीं चलता,
ऐसा कुछ
ऐसा
नहीं
लोग
होता
चलता.
है.
देयर नथिंग, देयर इज नो फॉर्मूला, देयर इज नो
हाँ,
फंडा.
हाँ,
Everything that people try to tell you is absolute rubbish.
हाँ,
Just follow your dreams. You will know instinctively अपने आप ही whether you should carry on with this, whether you have the gift for it or not. But just
हाँ.
give it a proper, honest shot and be persistent. This is a huge market. I know that these days जो lockdown का period है, it is very very difficult to do it. But develop stories, na? Develop scripts, develop how you are going to do it. When little by little things start opening up, then you can do a lot of things. Yeah.
My bua from
So
New York joined. She woke up early just to watch this, and she wishes you
yeah.
good luck. There's a lot of
Thank you,
audience.
please.
A lot of
Please,
people are wishing you good luck. They are saying I'm not reading comments. I'm so sorry. There's so many
no.
comments. So Rahul will read them, and he also has
Thank you.
that, and he's
Thank you.
reading over them. Yeah.
Okay,
So
thank you very much, guys. And Shruti, tomorrow I think my sister is coming at the
yeah,
same time at
Thursday,
5,
same
Priyanka.
time, 5
So
p.m. Yeah.
everybody, please join up for that. My sister is
Yeah.
absolutely amazing, and she's coming in films. She sings awesome. She's very
Oh,
beautiful, and
lovely.
she's very very spiritual. So you guys will love talking
Oh,
to
how
her. She's good
lovely.
fun. So you'll have
Oh,
a
how
great
lovely.
time. So
Lovely.
Shruti, make her sing. She's got an amazing,
I'll do
strong
that.
voice.
I'll do that.
Yeah.
Thank you for
Okay.
giving me this heads up on this. I
Thank
will
you.
make her sing. Coming to
Thank you.
spirituality, Rahul, I also do practice meditation. I teach manifestations. So I think it's just because of the energies that match you attract people of the same vibe. I've always felt in my life that people who come to me have to have a very strong spiritual connect. So that is
Thank
very
you.
sure. And it
Thank
is
you.
great to be over. Superb, Rahul. You made my dream come true. Thank
Shruti,
you.
thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Thank
Take care. Take care.
you.
Take care. Bye.
So, guys, this was one of the most iconic talk shows I did with the Shruti Dwivedi show. Not that everybody else made it so wonderful. Thank you so much, people, for joining. And I will put it on Instagram and YouTube very, very soon. Thank you so much. Have a very